Kani kedai batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka Ïamonlang juga Kanhun Menteri beralong hakan nyutrik mentau nailur arjar arpau ka la Mynjur kerteng jong Chief Secretary barim gejala ba PS Thankyu ba Mscpcr kum syong kenor jong ka Meghalaya State Food Commission bat ka kong Ïamonlang Syiem kum ka Chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights.
Then the third agenda which was taken up today was regarding the reconstitution of the Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. So it was proposed in the cabinet today to approve the name of Srimati Ïamonlang MCM as chairperson of the commission, and the following members as members of the commission, namely 1. Srimati Shannon Donna Masar, Srimati Yorika Sheila, Srimati Flabina P. Marak, Sri Mertna K. Marak, Srimati Tiana Taryn D. Areng, and Dr. Ïamonlang Lalu. So these 6 members, which is including the chairperson, these names were put up for approval to the cabinet, and these names were accordingly approved by the cabinet. The next agenda was regarding the appointment of chairman and members for the Meghalaya State Food Commission. As you all know, the previous chairperson of the Meghalaya State Food Commission was Shri B.K. Dev Barma, whose tenure came to an end with effect from the 2nd of February 2020, and the member legal whose tenure ended on the 21st of October 2019. So there was a search committee that was constituted for selection of the members whose posts fell vacant, and accordingly these names were brought up for the consideration of the cabinet, and the panel of names recommended, the search committee recommended the names of Shri PS Thankyu, IS retired, as chairman, Dr. Greenalin K. Marak, retired superintendent of the Tura Civil Hospital, as member of the Meghalaya State Food Commission from the medical profession, and also it was recommended for the renewal of the tenure of Shri Ravi Gurum as the member on the legal side. So these names were placed before the cabinet. The views of personnel was that they agreed to the appointment of chairman, member and extension of the service of Shri Ravi Gurum. Finance also has no objections. So therefore this was placed before the cabinet, and the names of all these 3 were approved.